Okay, ad tech is a mess. It used to be easy with a simple SSP and DSP connection, but nowadays it looks more like this. A set of complex connections that are almost impossible for the buyer and the seller to untangle, unless they embrace SPO. You'll find more about our breakthrough SPO solution at the end of the video, but here are the facts. Within a few years, publishers went from having one single supply-side platform to having multiple ones in a waterfall. Then Prebid came along to unify the competition, and it allowed the publisher to plug much more demand, including resellers. Some publishers go even further and implement multiple competition techniques inside their ad server, and the consequences of this are staggering. On average, 58 vendors and 357 routes are being called for every single ad impression in the world. Even among a premium set of publishers and buyers in the UK working through the most trusted ad tech partners, 1/3 of the value is being taken in the value chain. Now, what can you do today? The first step is Audit. I know it can sound basic, but as a buyer, if you sit a few minutes at a table with your preferred publisher, it could be really worth it. You'll quickly spot gray areas and figure out 1. Which paths are the most transparent, 2. Which paths take too much fees, and 3. Which paths have too many unknowns, in which we recommend to contact the SSPs to further understand what's going on. Second step, experiment. You'll get better results and expertise by actually running a test campaign. To do that, we've written a protocol that we're making public. You can download it for free through the link in the description below. Now, the key for a successful SPO campaign is to first specify the question you would like to answer. I recommend your question to include the KPI and the environment. Here's a few examples. In terms of publisher retribution rate, which path should I prioritize for in-stream? Here's another one. When launching a mobile display campaign, how can I use SPO to further optimize my VCPMs? Just keep in mind that the results might vary a lot depending on the environment you run your campaigns on. Once you have a clear question in mind, we can help you design a test protocol. It can be done through many different mechanics, like removing a path and see what's going on. Put more weight on a given path and same thing, analyze what's going on. You can isolate 10 different paths, each getting 10% of your budget, and observe the results. You can randomly launch your campaign and see which weight each path naturally gets. And you can try new types of connection, and I'll get there in a minute. Whatever you choose, I bet you'll learn something key to your business and or to your clients. Now, what about that breakthrough connection I've talked before? At Hubvisor, we've built a direct connection between a user's device and a DSP. It was a world premiere back in 2019, and we've learned that there are 3 key benefits to do this. Technically, you get a speed and a cookie sync rate which are unmatched in the industry. Financially, you have 100% retribution rate for the publisher, and ethically, you use less power because there are no servers involved between the user's device and the DSP. For now, it's available with The Trade Desk and Hoke, but we expect wider adoption next year. Several key partners tried it with success, including Publicis, Renault, Le Figaro, and Adevinta. And the results are there. With Renault, we've experienced a reduction of VCPM by at least 50%, an explosion of win rates by 9.5x, and a better retribution for the publisher with 17 more value compared to other paths. If you're a buyer or a seller and you want to try it out, we have a full protocol waiting for you. Just email us at hello@hubvisor.io and we'll get you started within days, whether you're a publisher or a buyer. That's all for me. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will be happy to talk to you soon.